this is V from a Canadian RVer. In this video, what I'll be doing is installing some of the new products from WiFiRanger. I've been using, promoting, and installing WiFiRangers now for about 4 years and love their products. So today what we're doing is using the brand new line called Converge, and we'll be installing the Denali and the Spruce in combination with the two units. And this is a Tiffen, so we'll be doing that on this beautiful coach. So it's finally here, the new Converge by WiFiRanger, and we're going to be doing an unboxing just to show you what's in the box. And we'll open it up here piece by piece. Very elegant packaging of what they've done now with their new products. And this product, what we're using here is the Denali and the Spruce. Let me put some of that down there. You get, I believe this is your information package that explains the unit. Oh, and they even give you an AT&T SIM card already built into it. Very nice. So the next thing is we'll pull out, we've ordered the power supply package, which comes with 110 and 12 volts with the fuse holder. The actual router, internal router, the Spruce unit, is right here. And that has the USB on the sides. It has the 5 Ethernet ports in the back, and the power and the power switch and the reset switch. The next part of it, I guess they also give you the stand if you want to use it in stand mode or put it on a wall. It's got both of them. And here's the Denali, which comes, I believe you can order it with any length of cable that you want, from 10 to 30 feet. And I believe this was ordered with 20 feet that we have, which is power and signal. Now we'll pull out the full unit. A little difficult to get out with one hand. There we go. So that's what the fin looks like, and all the electronics will go into this. And this is the Denali model. You can see it from the back. And the bottom is all hermetically sealed for keeping the moisture out of it. And what we'll do when we go up to the roof, and I'll show you the install, we're going to put VHB tape right along here. We're not going to use any of the screws at all, because this is a very light unit and shouldn't have a problem with VHB. And then we'll put in some die-core all along the top and seal it up, and we'll take you to the roof and show you that. So we're on top of the roof right now, and on this Tiffen, and there's a junction box right here. So what we plan to do is feed the Denali cabling down through this box. So we're going to open this up and see what's inside. So what we've done is we've pulled a pull string through this box right here, and this is on the top of this coach, and this is a Tiffen Allegro bus, and now we've got our pull string that we're going to pull the wires back that are connected to the Denali and take them down into the coach. So what we've got the wire already pulled through. You can see it all the way down there into the box. The Denali is sitting right here. So now we're going to just take the coating off the VHB tape and fasten it to the roof. So here we are with the cabling already into the box. We've sealed the box up. We put in some die-core lap sealant, and it's looking good. So it's already there. The Denali is sitting right there, And we're ready to go finish up the inside connections. So this is finally completed. We've ran the wire through the hole here. We've put the power supply on there. We've got the Spruce already powered up, and you can see that there's power on it and it's working fine. So now the job is complete. We're closing up the door.